Why are you so good at everything you do?
I don't know.
Papa's gonna be happy you're planting mint.
No, finally.
Finally. Taking baby shopping. So Carly redid the bathroom. She's going room by room, redoing all of the feng shui and all of the freaking decor. It looks so cute. Carly is the best. She's putting a shelf right here that's that color. She's adding her little succulents everywhere she goes because she's a planter. We're redoing the mirror and it's just so beautiful in here. Go Carly, go Carly. What room is next?
The big hole faces out. Whole pandemic things.
Yeah. I haven't seen, gave attention to those in so long.
Where are you going?
Get your bell. Good boy. Go outside. Hi, Dre. Come on. Come on. Wanna come inside? Oh gosh, there's one more guest. Blue, get the kitty. Get the kitty, Blue. Get the kitty. Get her. Get her. Oh gosh, there's one more guest. Blue, get the kitty. Get the kitty, Blue. Get the kitty. Get her. Get her. Get your bell. Good boy.